In my today's tutorial, I will show you how to make these gorgeous pair of earrings. These are really easy to make. Hi, I'm Shobori from hookedloops.com. I make various kind of crafts in my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications, and don't forget to like, share and comment. For this project, I am using embroidery floss of two different colors and 0.75mm crochet hook. So we will take the embroidery floss and make a magic circle with it at first. You will get all the crochet beginners tutorials in a playlist in my channel, so check it out. So the magic circle is ready. We will do a chain 2 and we will not consider this to be any stitch. We will do 12 double crochet stitches in the magic circle. This is the first round. So the first round is going to have a total of 12 double crochet stitches. We will quickly complete this round and pull the tail of the magic circle to close it. We will now complete this first round with a slip stitch in the first double crochet stitch. So insert your hook in the double crochet stitch, pull the yarn through it and do a slip stitch. Do a chain 1 and cut the yarn, and with this the first round is completed, and now we will be doing a color change. So I am taking a maroon colored embroidery floss and make a slip knot with it. We will insert the hook in the slip knot and we will slip stitch in the first double crochet stitch of the last round. In this way, followed by chain 2. We will not consider this to be any stitch. In the same stitch, we will be doing 2 double crochet stitches. And in the next stitch we will be having 3 double crochet stitches. The written directions are available on top of the screen, so you can take a screenshot of that. And we will repeat the pattern. That is, in the next stitch we will be having 2 double crochets, followed by 3 double crochets in the next stitch. And we will complete this round in this manner, that is 2 double crochets followed by 3 double crochets in each of the remaining stitches. We will complete this round, and at the end we will do a slip stitch in the first double crochet stitch, followed by chain 1, and we will cut the yarn. The last round had a total of 30 double crochets. Now we will attach the fish hook in any stitch of the last round. Use the pliers for attaching the hook in this manner. After that we will be counting 10 stitches from the stitch where we attach the hook and attach the jump ring in the 10th stitch. We will pass the charm, or I'm using the ghungru in this case, through the jump ring openings in this manner, and we will close the jump ring using the pliers. We will skip 2 stitches, and in the 3rd stitch we will be adding the other ghungru. Again skip 2 stitches, attach the jhumka, and Similarly, attach the other two ghungroos and our earrings are completed. These are very beautiful, perfect for any festive occasion, and make this matching with your outfit. I hope you liked this tutorial and it was easy for you to follow. If you liked this, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section if you have any queries, and also mention if you want to see any other kind of videos. I will make those for you. So thank you and have a great day, and please subscribe to my channel.